Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel today. I've got something really exciting to unbox and share with you. It's the AirPods Max in the sleek space gray color. I've been eagerly waiting to get my hands on these premium headphones, and I can't wait to show you all the details. Made in China. Let's dive right in and see what's inside the box. As we open it up, you're immediately greeted with the iconic Apple packaging. The attention to detail is impressive, as always. And here they are, the AirPods Max. In the stunning space gray finish, the color is so sleek and elegant. A perfect match for Apple's design philosophy. Underneath the headphones, we have the Lightning to 3.5mm audio cable and the smart case. The cable is a nice addition for wired listening, while the case puts the AirPods Max in an ultra-low power state to preserve battery life when not in use. Pretty sad that. How Apple doesn't include the Apple stickers anymore. Before we dive into the features, let's talk about the design and comfort. The stainless steel frame feels incredibly sturdy, and the breathable mesh headband ensures comfort during long listening sessions. Moving on to the controls. There's the digital crown inspired by the Apple Watch. It handles volume adjustment, skipping tracks, and even activating Siri. The noise control button and the transparency mode button are conveniently placed too. Setting up the AirPods Max is a breeze. Just bring them close to your iPhone and a setup prompt will appear. They seamlessly switch between your devices thanks to the H1 chip. These headphones feel really good in your hands, compact. Not loose, super tight and compact. Now, the most important aspect, sound quality. The AirPods Max deliver a rich and immersive audio experience. The high-fidelity audio coupled with active noise cancellation truly makes you feel like you're in your own world. Apple claims up to 20 hours of high-fidelity audio talk time or movie playback with active noise cancellation and spatial audio enabled. This is impressive, and real-world usage seems to confirm that. Wrapping it up, the AirPods Max in space gray are a premium addition to Apple's audio lineup. The combination of design, comfort, and top-notch sound quality make them a compelling choice for audio files and Apple enthusiasts alike. Thanks for joining me on this unboxing journey of the AirPods Max in space gray. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe for more content, and let me know in the comments what you think about these headphones. Until next time, take care and stay tuned for more videos.